Hello everyone, welcome back again to the part 2 of manufacturing industries. Let's begin. Forest-based industries use forest product to manufacture paper, furniture and buildings. Animal-based industries use products such as hide, skin, hair and other parts of animals. Leather industry is an important animal-based industry. On the basis of the amount of labor, capital invested, and volume of production. Large scale industries are the ones that employ thousands of laborers and use heavy machinery, for example, iron and steel, cement, and petrochemicals. Small scale industries employ less number of laborers and less amount of capital, for example, units which make sewing machines, fans, and cycles. Cottage industry use very less capital and employ very few people. They are common in villages. Most of the manufacturing is done in small workshops or at home to make brassware, wood carving, pottery, carpets, and leather goods. The handloom section of the textile industry employs a large number of laborers. On the basis of ownership. Ownership status in present day keeps changing, but broadly the categories are: public sector industries are owned and operated by the government. Some examples of such agencies are Steel Authority of India Limited and Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals like Airtel, Tata and Reliance Industries, while private limited companies are financed by individuals. Public limited companies are financed by shares owned by the public. Joint sector industries are owned jointly by the state and individuals. Indian and foreign persons or a group of individuals like Maruti Udyog Limited, which was previously a joint venture of the Government of India and the Suzuki Company of Japan. Cooperative sector industries are owned by and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers of or both. They pool in resources and share the profit proportionately, for example, Amul dairy product. On the basis of the nature of the finished product. Basic industries are those whose finished products are used as raw material for other industries such as iron and steel industry. Besides making steel, it provides material for other manufacturing industries to produce goods such as machines and automobiles. Petrochemical industries use petroleum to produce other products such as lubricants, diesel, petrol, and kerosene. Consumer industries produce goods that are directly used by the consumers such as sugar, paper, fans, bicycles, and toothpaste. Factors affecting the location of industries. Regions that have conditions favorable for the establishment and growth of industries develop into large industrial areas. Some important factors that influence the location of most industries are availability of raw material, availability of skilled and unskilled labor and suitable managerial staff, an uninterrupted power supply at reasonable cost and suitable infrastructure including good communication network, easy access to market, proximity to a good railhead, roadway or seaport nearby is necessary for all industries. They need to be supported by a good transport network. Perishable and fragile goods in particular require transportation without delay or damage. Availability of capital investment for purchase of machines, power, labor, paying for transport and raw material. Provision of certain incentives by the government in the form of infrastructure facilities like industrial sheds and subsidies on transport, water and electricity, so that industrialists establish industries in certain regions. Therefore, government policies also play an important role in the location of industry. Besides the above mentioned factors, suitable climate and terrain, a good drainage with availability of water for cooling machines and disposal of waste are other factors that influence the location of industries. Service-oriented industries like accounts and finance, IT, public relation and advertising tend to locate near large cities.